Okay, welcome to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser, and this is the Create Vision production. In front of us we have a finite automata machine that accepts when our inputs are even. This is called a Mason-Dixon line, and number of times of each one of these words will come there. So let me just demonstrate how the Mason-Dixon line on even number of times has crossed the Mississippi odd number of times. So basically I'm saying, notice how between my transition, depending on whether you put one in, it'll go back, right? Back and forth. This is ones. So let's step into the state. That's just ones, and you end up in my final state when, because my initial one and start are here. Now let me input only zeros. 0 0 0 0 0 and simulate what happens when I step into my machines. It goes on the right hand side. That's only zeros of an even value. Now what happens if I alternate between zeros and 1? So it's 1 1 0 0. So let's step into this machine. 1 1 0 0. You see, I end up in my final state, green. What happens if I want to go completely around the circle? So I would have to input the following. So 1 1 0 1 0, and let's step in it. So as you can see, even values work. What happens if I have odd values? Let's step into the machine one more time. So I want odd numbers only, and we step into it. You see, odd numbers followed by more odd numbers. Let's step into the machine using odd numbers only. So 1 1 1. Let's see if we'll end up in my machine. And red, it means it didn't end up in my final state. Okay, now what happens if I have a larger odd amount? I hope that's an odd number. Let's see. We step into my machine. Oh, that is an even number, so we ended up in the machine. So you can simulate this by having a larger input. So I have a text file with ones and zeros. Some are even, some are odd, and some go beyond the values. So if I were to run this, these are the ones that would be accepted, and the odd ones are the ones that would be rejected. So if you zoom in here and you count like the number of odd values in each state, you would get an odd number. If my state is divided equally, it will be in equal proportions. If it's divided into in non-equal portions, you won't get your answer will be rejected. So I just want to demonstrate the early stages of a theorem called Kleene's theorem. So if you stick around, you'll find out what I'm talking about. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.